Hello guys and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to create a beauty salon website using Shopify. First, be sure to check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify and also a $1 for 1 month one-time deal. So without further ado, let's get going. First, we're going to go over to our product section over here and we're going to click on add products. Here we're going to start uploading all of the products of our online store. For example, I'm going to start with my full skincare routine. So once we are done putting our title, we're going to copy it and we're going to click over here on generate text and we're going to paste our title. Here we're going to click on generate and Shopify is going to create an automatic description for us. Here we can either choose to generate a description again or just keep the one we already have. Here I'm just going to keep this one, and next we are going to go over to the media section where we are going to choose an image for our product. As you can see, once it's done processing, here the image of our product would appear. Below it, we are going to have our category section. Usually Shopify is going to automatically choose a section for us, but if we want, we can click over here and we can change it if we want. On the right, we're going to have our product type, vendor, collections, and tags section. Here on collections, make sure you add it to your home page, and for tags, we can put, for example, beauty salon, and that would be one of our tags. For the pricing, let's say that we are going to charge around 40,000 pesos for this, and the cost per item is going to be around 20,000 pesos. This is going to give us a 20,000 pesos profit at a 50% margin. For inventory, we are not going to keep track of inventory, so we're just going to uncheck it. And here we also have a weight section to assign any kind of weight if case we are going to do some kind of shipping. Once we are done customizing it, we're going to click over here on save. And as you can see, if we go back, we would have our first product uploaded. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to add product, and I'm going to keep uploading all of the product that I want to have on my online store. So I'll be back with you guys once I'm done. So once we are done uploading all of the rest of the products, as you can see, I have added a pedicure, a manicure, and a full makeup. We're going to go over here to our online store and we're going to start to customize it. The first thing that we're going to be able to change, it's going to be our theme. If we go down, you can see that Shopify is going to provide us with a lot of free themes. And if we want, we can go over here to the theme store. And as you can see here, we're going to have a lot more themes to use. Some themes may better suit our website, but for me, I'm just going to stick with the default one for now. So once we are back over here, we're going to click on customize again, and here we're going to call them sections. As you can see, they are going to be outlined by a blue line, and over here on the top left, the image of the name, sorry, of the section is going to appear. On our right, we're going to have a lot of different options that we're going to be able to use to customize our section. For example, this is our image banner, and over here we're going to select an image to be our banner. I'm going to choose this one, and once it's done uploading, we are going to click on done, and as you can see, the background of our banner is going to change. Next, I'm going to click over here on our heading, and we're going to put, for example, welcome to my beauty salon. And as you can see, the text right over here has changed. So let's say that we want to add a new section to our website. What we're going to do is we're going to click over here on add section, and we're going to have a lot of different options. For example, we're going to have featured collections, featured product, collections list, etc. For me, I'm just going to choose a featured product, and right here at the bottom, a new section is going to appear. Here we're going to click it, and on the right we're going to click over here select to select a product to be displayed right over here. For example, let's say that I want to choose my manicure, and as you can see, my product is now being displayed right over here. Now let's say that we want to change things up a bit. For example, we're going to choose the color scheme to a dark one, and now as you can see, the background of our section is going to be a nice dark theme. Now let's say that we have added a new section by mistake. For example, we're going to add a featured collection and we want to delete it. What we're going to do is we're going to make sure that we have this section selected, and we're going to go over here and we're going to click on remove section. Once we remove it, you can see that it no longer appears. Another thing that we can do is we can either add a section to our footer. Over here we can add an email sign up and a custom liquid, and the same goes for our header. We can click over here and we can add a custom liquid or an announcement bar. Another very important thing about our header is that right over here our store name is going to be displayed. So how do we change it? We're going to save our changes up until now, and we're going to exit, and we're going to go over to the home page of Shopify. Here we're going to click on name your store, name store again, and we are going to choose over here our store's name. For example, I'm just going to put Beauty Salon, and I'm going to save my change. Now, in order to see that everything is correct, we're going to go back to our online store, but now we're going to click on the three dots and we're going to go to preview. This is going to redirect us to our website, and as you can see here, the name of our store has now changed. We can go down to make sure that everything else is set up just the way we want, as you can see. And once we are done checking out our website, we are going to go back over here and we're going to go over the analytics and marketing section. Now, this is going to be a really important section for us, guys, because here we're going to be able to see our total sales, our sales by channel, our total orders, the average order value, and a lot of different things, such as, for example, which products are going to be more popular amongst our customers, and a lot more information which is going to be really helpful for us in order to manage and customize our business and our website all from the same place. Lastly, I wanted to go to show you the discount section here. We're going to click on add discount. I'm going to choose an amount of products, and here we're going to be able to customize our own discount. Here we're going to be able to choose the code for our discount. For example, let's say we're going to put beauty 101, or we can just click over here and Shopify is going to generate a random code for us. Below it, we can choose which kind of discount it's going to be. For example, I'm going to choose a percentage discount, and let's say that it's going to be a 10%. Below it, we are going to be able to choose to which collections our discount is going to apply to. So we're going to click on browse, and we're going to click our home page products. That way, all our discount would only apply to the products on our home page. If we keep going down, you can see that we have further options to customize our discounts, such as the minimum purchase requirements, the customer eligibility, the maximum amount of uses it has, the combinations, and also if we click over here, we can choose an expiration date to our discount. So once we are done, we are going to click over here on save discount. And if we go back, you can see that we would have our first discount ready. So guys, do either post on social media, maybe give to a friend, or just use however we would like. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell, and check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify, and also that $1 for 1 month one-time deal. I'll see you guys next time.